Let's go to Bitcoin because I think this is an important one. I think we're in this red count. I don't see us getting up here for the B wave in yellow, which would tell me that the B wave in yellow was here. This has been a 3-wave move up. In the yellow count, it would have been 5 waves up, but I don't know if this blue or this 3-wave move is complete for wave 2. It did hit the 38.2 retrace of what would be wave 1 here. So I am not as bullish, even though this is a B wave and I don't like trading B waves. Relatively not bullish because there could have been a higher high here. Instead, what would be happening is that we are in the red count already headed down to the 30,000 area. This would be essentially the Bitcoin and maybe even crypto bear market playing out. And it would have happened faster than I expected it to. I figured we would have drawn this out to the end of the year for the B wave and then started the C wave, which would have taken probably the rest of next year. Instead, if this is all the B wave, well, and then we're in the C wave already, I mean, we're already halfway through this correction in this bear market then. So if I see 5 down, I'm probably going to trim my Bitcoin holdings, probably a lot of my crypto. And take the cash, hold it, and get back in, after the 50% haircut, even from here. But I want to see if wave 2 is going to get us further into this box, because it could still go to 70,000 to 73,000. So far, this looks like 3 down. So essentially what I would be looking at is something like this. Completely wrong degree, but that's better. Something like this. That up here we get to 70,000, and then I would think about trimming, and maybe not even think about it. Maybe I would actually be trimming. Yeah, that's where we stand on Bitcoin. I just want you to know that because this is looking more bearish as we go along. And this could be one of the big unseen moves. We have a lot of hype with the AI and hardware and Micron and all that stuff. I think people have kind of lost sight of crypto a little bit, which is fine. But I think this is going to be a sleeping bear market that people don't recognize until we're 3/4 of the way through it. So I want you to get ahead of that and understand that it may have started, and we would look at getting out on a bounce if this second wave continues. If this second wave doesn't continue, then we already are in the third wave, and we could see a pretty substantial slide over the next several weeks to months. The immediate next move would be to 48,000. The third wave would be down to 40,000. So that's not small moves at this point. So I just want you to be aware of what is going on in the crypto world.